Hi guys, today I will remove these Flexy tips from Nails Company, which are basically like gel X tips. So I'm going to use an e-file and I'm going to use this file here to remove the big stuff, let's say first. Using the e-file is not necessarily, but I had like a lot of stuff on them. I had like a gel overlay with these encapsulated flowers, so I want to remove this big mass before eventually doing something else. Using the guillotine to chop the length. Next, I switch file and I will use another one which is better to go in next to the cuticle, and she's thinner. Even if she's red, but she's very thin grain and she's not aggressive at all if you're not push, on your nails. So I felt more comfortable just to thin up all the surface, where I can with this file. So here a big chunk of the nail, which is half of the nail, was very much lifted, so she just popped off while I was using the file, and I was just basically removing the rest. All is lifted basically with the file. Here, to avoid it she will pop off, I using these big clippers to just like cut off what is clearly lifted. I'm not pulling any product from my nail, anything is attached in there in that area. I'm carefully just going under and basically cut the very thin already gel tip, and then I'm just trying to remove all I can basically with the e-file. The rest of the nails were well attached, so I just thin up a little bit more the product, and then I was ready to try with the acetone. I apply acetone as usual on a cotton pad, and then I using the clips, which I got them from Amazon, and is like one of the best things I could have done because I'm not using aluminium foil at all anymore. I love to use this. So anyways, I left it 10 minutes and I'm just removing the gel, which was not removing completely all in one, probably because I didn't soak well enough with acetone the cotton pad, the first one, or I didn't wait enough time. So basically I'm just repeating, but by the time I'm going to the next nails and just repeating all the process, when I come back to the first, she will just basically be removed. And as you see, these Flexy tips are just melting super easily with acetone. I wasn't sure how acetone will work with these Flexy tips because I experience different Gel X like nails, and they're not always reacting that well with acetone, but this one I was really happy because the product really melted very nicely with the 10 minute 15 with acetone. And yeah, I just repeating everything till basically all the product is nicely gone. And also I try to be very super delicate when I'm doing that. Using a file to remove the rest of whatever gel I feel that is left. Clean again with acetone just to melt whatever is still left. And there we go, product is completely gone, all nails are clean. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you wanna see more. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!